Are you struggling to stay competitive in today's rapidly changing world? Do you want to unlock the potential of your organization or business and drive long-term growth? Look no further because Analysecentre has the solution for you. Introducing our comprehensive suite of services that cover every step of your innovation journey. With a primary focus on singularity and social innovation, Analysecentre has a track record of successfully inspiring, implementing, and scaling innovative solutions. Our network of experts is specialized in social innovation and singularity. Social innovation and singularity, at their core, involve developing and implementing new strategies, concepts, ideas, and organizations that can address and solve major current and future complex challenges. The primary goal of social innovation and singularity is to make the world a better place for everybody. This necessitates creative problem-solving methods and a holistic approach that considers social, economic, and environmental dimensions. At Analysecentre, we assist our clients in achieving social innovation and singularity through 3 key steps. Step 1. Understanding current and future developments. Step 2. Enhancing connections, collaborations, critical thinking, and problem-solving. Step 3. Implementing ideas by prioritizing growth and evaluating the process.
Let's now delve into each step and explore the services we can offer you. Let's begin with Step 1. Understanding current and future developments. Our team of dedicated professionals will offer you inspirational sessions on current worldwide trends and upcoming developments. Our goal is to motivate your teams and stakeholders. Our engaging presentations cover a range of topics specifically focused on your sector, including technology, marketing, and new business models. We, at Analysecentre, will analyze your specific challenges and work closely with you to develop and implement innovative ideas and solutions. With our variety of research, training, and innovation programs, we will contribute to your organization's social innovation goals. We regularly keep ourselves informed of global trends and futuristic possibilities in order to provide our clients with the most up-to-date and essential knowledge. Strategy and policy development, policy execution, trend forecasting and trend analysis, innovation management, information technology including blockchain and Web 3.0, data, market analysis, and quantitative finance are among our areas of expertise. This can be also the topics that we can address during our sessions for you. Now let's move on to Step 2, enhancing connections, collaborations, critical thinking, and problem solving. We believe in the power of collaboration and critical thinking. Our brainstorm sessions and innovation workshops encourage diverse perspectives and outside-the-box thinking. Led by our experienced facilitators, these sessions stimulate creative thinking and problem solving among your teams. After taking part in our sessions, your teams will notice a boost in their creative capabilities and become better equipped to handle complex challenges. By leveraging our network of industry leaders and partners, you gain access to valuable insights and generate innovative ideas and solutions tailored to your specific needs and industry. But it doesn't stop there. We also specialize in preparing organizations for futuristic developments, helping you create new products and services, and driving business model innovation. Our expertise ensures that you are equipped to adapt to the changing landscape and seize new opportunities. Finally, let's dive into Step 3, implementing ideas by prioritizing growth and evaluating the process. We understand that ideas always need to be translated into actions. We specialize in innovation management, providing guidance on fostering a culture of innovation and creating and implementing new ideas, products, services, or training programs. Our team can also assist you in embracing digital transformation by providing consulting services on technology, adoption, and implementation. By embracing digital transformation, you can improve efficiency, agility, and customer satisfaction. Additionally, we offer also support in strategic planning and execution, project management, and change management solutions to ensure successful implementation and growth. But our services don't stop there. At Analysecentre, we offer a comprehensive range of additional services to support your organization's success. These include brand strategy development, social innovation consulting, strategic partnerships and alliances, inclusive and diversity strategies, and risk management.
By partnering with Analysecentre, you will establish a strong brand identity, increase brand recognition, and build a loyal customer base. Our holistic approach to innovation covers idea generation, implementation, and fostering a culture of innovation. You can trust Analysecentre to deliver results, as we prioritize measuring our performance based on the successful adoption of innovative products and services, resulting in substantial growth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to thrive in today's dynamic market. Contact Analysecentre now at analysecentre.com to explore potential partnership opportunities and how we can assist your organization in succeeding in today's quickly changing world. Let Analysecentre be your trusted innovation partner, guiding you towards a future of success.